Do you believe in everything you hear or read? Could you bet your life on it? In this vast cosmos teeming with endless streams of information, how certain are you of what you know? The art of thinking critically and daring to question the powers that be is not merely a skill, it's a lifeline. This is the tale of critical thinking, the ability to dissect information dispassionately, pinpoint biases and forge independent conclusions. It's about not just swallowing the information you're spoon-fed, but tearing it apart, probing it, and truly comprehending it. Critical thinking isn't about being argumentative or an unyielding skeptic. It's about being open-minded, courageous enough to explore different perspectives and grasp every facet of the story. It's not just passive listening, it's active hearing, understanding, and forming an enlightened stance. Stay tuned as we delve into the shifting sands of information and the stakes of truth. Questioning authority, on the other hand, is about having the audacity to challenge the status quo, to pose the difficult questions. It's about being an active participant in your own life, not a passive bystander when faced with authority. It's not an act of disrespect, it's an act of intellectual integrity, a quest for truth. Questioning authority is not always an easy path. It could mean going against the grain, challenging prevailing beliefs, and sometimes standing alone. But remember, it's not about being defiant. It's about ensuring that decisions and actions are grounded in facts, not fear or blind obedience. Critical thinking and questioning authority are the lifeblood of a thriving democracy. They ensure that those in power are held accountable, that decisions made benefit the people. They ensure that our society is founded on justice and fairness. They guarantee that we're not simply told what to think, but taught how to think. In the end, critical thinking and questioning authority are more than just academic concepts. They're instruments of action, tools for change. They're about making the world a better place, one thought, one question at a time. By wielding these skills, we can all contribute to creating a more just and equitable world. Remember, it's not just about thinking, it's about thinking critically. It's not just about accepting, it's about questioning. It's about being a thinker, not a follower. It's about being an active participant, not a passive observer. It's about making a difference, one thought, one question at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration into critical thinking, the power of questioning authority. We hope our content has sparked your curiosity and empowered you to think more critically. If you found our video insightful and inspiring, please show your support by clicking the like button, subscribing to our channel, and sharing this video with others. Your support fuels our mission to create more content that challenges minds and stimulates independent thought. And remember, the power to think critically and question authority resides within you. Nurture it, keep questioning, keep learning. Until our next rendezvous, stay curious and stay inspired.